Alright guys, playing Sahara Gold. We got the bonus and a bonus, and it re-triggered. We're at 30 free spins. Let's get something good. Only 25 wilds at it. But let's see what it could do. Come on. 5 re-triggers would be awesome. Alright, got the 10s all the way across. Let's speed this up a little bit. Come on, give us some line hits. Queens. All right, not even halfway through our spins yet. Let's go. It'd be nice if you could get the hold and spin in this, but you can't. Come on, re-trigger us again. Come on, stop with the little hand hits. Come on, 10 more to go. There we go, finally got a line pay. Doesn't even pay that much. 50 bucks. Got 30 freaking spins. Should be a hand pay, and we're only at 150. Come on, wilds. Come on, let's go. Ah, I should have kept going. Wasted wilds. All right, 6 more spins. Come on. 9s. Nobody ever wants 9s. Come on, re-trigger. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I should have kept going. Last one. All right, guys. 249.